Hey, it's Louis with MelaninOrigins.com, and I want to tell you why we are out to combat the notion of black inferiority. Our core values are educational empowerment, promoting strong families, and cultural confidence. Our learning materials instill a pure, strong, and healthy knowledge of self for all children, in contrast to the traditional model of presenting black history. The problem with the traditional model is that black inferiority is the first notion that takes a hold of our children when they are first introduced to their leaders in the public school system. I strongly encourage you to visit your own local bookstore or library and see for yourself. While trying to find literature for my children, who were 1 and 2 at the time, I discovered that half of the books that are out there are not even created by people that are of African descent, and these individuals might not even be able to portray an accurate depiction of the experience of blackness in America. I believe there are a lot of highly capable African Americans in position to tell these stories. Some of the information that's out there is extremely bland and unappealing for our children. For instance, you'll have a black and white picture that says so-and-so lived from this time to that time and they did XYZ. Turn the page. So-and-so lived from this time to that time and they did XYZ, and repeat. African Americans have always been equal as diligent laborers and outstanding innovators, and our stories deserve to be told with excellence. Lastly, yet most important for us, all the information that's out there breeds a notion of slavery, civil rights, and struggle upon struggle. Now first, that information is needed for people of the appropriate age, but Melanin Origins contends that that information is not conducive for a healthy psyche for 3, 4, and 5-year-old children. So since this information is not available for children in 2nd grade or below, Melanin Origins decided to step in and provide stories of leadership, empowerment, great achievement, history, STEM, and we make it fun in the process. So click the link below to receive a free copy of one of our highly coveted books today.